Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some delicious weight loss friendly summer drinks with you guys. So of course, it's always nice to enjoy really refreshing, sweet, delicious drinks in the summer, but it's also really hard when you're on like a weight loss journey and you don't want to kind of have that guilt of drinking something that's too high in sugar or just not good for you and your diet and your goals. So recently I've actually been testing out different drinks at home that are super delicious, and they're super low calorie, low sugar, and they're just in line with my diet. So I thought I would share them with you guys to kind of give you guys some inspiration to try out these drinks for yourselves and still enjoy your summer, enjoy delicious drinks without the guilt and without ruining your weight loss journey and your goals. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so the first drink is going to be a matcha iced green tea latte. So I have my Ninja blender cup right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead in with 1 cup of this Silk organic soy milk. So I'm going to go ahead in and pop that into the cup. Next, you're going to want to go ahead in with some matcha powder. This is the Grand Cru Matcha by David's Tea. And pretty much I like to go ahead in with a pretty good amount because I love matcha. So just about a full teaspoon, and you can see it's like a heaping teaspoon, and you're just going to pop that in the cup. Next, you're going to want to go ahead in with some Splenda. You can use stevia, whatever you want. If you don't mind having sugar in your diet, you can go ahead in with regular sugar. I like using Splenda, and depending on how sweet you want it, you can add more or less. You can add 1 if you don't really like it to be too sweet. You can add 3 or 4 if you really want it to be sweet. I find 2 is like the perfect amount for me. So I'm just going to go ahead in and put this in. And then I'm going to go ahead in and blend this up. All right, and you're gonna wanna just add some ice in a cup. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's how I like to make my iced matcha green tea latte. You guys, it is so delicious. It tastes just like the Starbucks green tea latte, in my opinion, the iced green tea latte. It's super delicious. So yeah, this is the first drink, you guys. All right, so next I'm gonna show you guys how to make a delicious salted caramel iced coffee. So of course I have my mason jar right here. So I have half a cup of boiling hot water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of the Nescafe Gold dark roast. So to cool this coffee down right away so that I can make my iced drink, I'm gonna go ahead in and add a bunch of ice in here just so that this can cool down and become room temperature. And that's why I put 2 teaspoons in just half a cup of water. So the ice is going to just be more water added into the mixture, and it's going to balance out. So I'm gonna go ahead in and just add the ice and cool this guy down. Now to flavor the coffee, I'm going in with the Torani sugar-free salted caramel syrup. This is so delicious, you guys. They have so many other flavors like vanilla bean and like this brown sugar cinnamon that I'm obsessed with. But for today's salted caramel drink, I'll be taking 2 pumps of this. So the great thing about this syrup is that it's 0 calories and 0 carbs, and of course there is absolutely no sugar in here. So this is a great alternative to use when you want to sweeten your coffee and add a nice flavor to it. Now I'm going to go ahead in and add the coffee. I'm going to go ahead in and add about a 1/4 cup of this silk soy milk. And then I'm going to just top it off with ice. And then I'm just going to stir this up. Just going to add a little bit more soy milk. That was about 1/8 of a cup. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's how I like to make my super low calorie, low sugar, salted caramel iced coffee. It's so delicious. Of course, if you don't like soy milk, you can use any milk of your choice and it's going to taste delicious. So yeah, this is the second drink, you guys. All right, you guys, so the next drink is going to be a sugar-free Dalgona coffee. I'm super excited to make this, you guys. It tastes so good. So of course you're going to need instant coffee. I have the Nescafe Gold Dark Roast. And for sugar, I'm using the Swerve granular sugar, you guys. This is awesome because it tastes, measures, and bakes and everything just like regular sugar, but it's not real sugar. It's actually, the main ingredient is erythritol, which is awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by taking 2 tablespoons of the coffee, the sugar, and the hot water, and then I'm going to whisk it up with my whisk. And now comes the fun part where I'm going to be whisking this for quite some time now. I would say like maybe 5-7 minutes. It takes a bit, but just be patient with yourself and keep whisking. All right, you guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. So I have the topping for the Dalgona coffee all done. So now I have my cup, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 cup of soy milk. I'm going to be using the same Silk soy milk that I've been using throughout the video. I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice. And then I'm just gonna take this topping and put it on top of the drink. And you can see, even though it's not made with real sugar, even with the Swerve sugar, it's still a really nice consistency. And there you have it, you guys. This is my version of the sugar-free Dalgona coffee, low calorie, low sugar, actually no sugar at all. So it's a very nice alternative. It's a great way to still be able to enjoy the super trendy, delicious summer drinks during this time, but still, of course, maintain your weight loss goals. So yeah, this is the third drink, you guys. Alright, you guys, so the last drink is kind of like a sparkling lemonade or a sparkling refresher, whatever you want to call it. So what you're going to need for this drink is some mint leaves as well as some lemon slices. You're going to need 1 pack of Splenda or stevia, whatever you prefer, and you're also going to need a lime bubbly. So you've got your cup right here. I'm just going to go ahead and grab some ice. So I personally like a lot of ice, and then I have my cold bubbly. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour this in the cup. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Splenda. And this is just going to add a little bit of sweetness to the drink. You can add more or less. I prefer 1 because I don't like this to be too sweet. I'm just going to take my straw and stir this up. I'm going to take 1 of the lemons and I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in here. And of course, stir that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my toppings in. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lemon slices and the mint. These are such refreshing flavors to add in the water, you guys. It tastes amazing. And of course, if you want to be fancy, you can add a little slice of lemon. And that is pretty much it, you guys. This is my lemon and mint sparkling refresher. It's so delicious, you guys, and it's the perfect drink for the summer. I absolutely love this, and it's just amazing. So yeah, this is the last drink. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys try out any of these drinks, make sure to let me know in the comments down below and tag me on Instagram if you guys have Instagram. My Instagram is of course nadifa.kareen. I'll have it on the screen somewhere for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I share some low calorie, low sugar, delicious drinks and treats, then make sure to like this video so I know you liked it, and of course subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.